Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket left-handed comb. Knowing how to do a basket already would be really useful. In fact, knowing how to do a basket pullback would be useful as well, and knowing how to do a left-handed comb would be useful, and a Wurlitzer. So there's loads of bits in here. I'll put links to all of those in the description below, so if you want to go back and check any of those things out, it's easy for you to find them and nice and quick. So jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So let's break that down. It starts like a standard basket. We go back to 2 hands. We wrap the lady in, we twist the lady out. This is where it changes. We're going to send the lady straight forward, so we're going to bring the left hand up to collect the lady's left shoulder, so as we go out, it's nice and balanced. You're not going to be pulling the lady off balance at all. You've got one hand high, one hand low. We're heading over to the right. So this is the bit that feels a lot like a basket pullback. We're bringing the lady back down the left hand side. And from here, we're actually leading a return. So the right hand is going up, the lady is coming around into that return. And guys, we're keeping an eye on the lady, so we're going to be facing her. At this point, the right hand is going down, the left hand comes up to comb the fella. We release with the left hand. We now use our right-handed connection to turn the lady. We do a prep like a Wurlitzer, return spin, and catch. So now let's think numbers from the other side, so you get the other view. So we go back 1, wrap 2, twist out 3, block 4, back 5, return 6, left-handed comb 7, turn 8, prep 1, return spin 2, and back 3. So, bit of practice, rewind as it were, go through it as many times as you need to. And now we'll try it to account. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket left-handed comb. We go a back, wrap, backwards, forwards, backwards, return, comb, turn, prep, return spin, and back. And that's the whole thing. Hope you like that. Hope you find it good fun out on the dance floor. Raise a few smiles. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell, if it's turned on in your settings, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.